welcome back to my channel. So I wasn't really going to sit down and make this video, but so many of you guys asked me to make this video, so I thought that I might as well just sit down and talk to you guys about everything that I got from IKEA. Now this was my first time visiting IKEA, and to catch you guys up a little bit, I'm actually renovating my living room, so that is why I've got most of these things. Yeah, most of these things are just random things, so you know, without further ado, let's just jump right in. And there are like a lot of things, so yeah, just sit, chill, maybe have coffee, green tea, whatever, and enjoy this video. So starting off, I got a lot of bed sheets. I really like fitted bed sheets, and I got 2 of them I think last year from IKEA, so that is why when I was there I picked up a couple of colors. So this is the one that I picked up. It's sage, and I really like the color. This is another color that I picked up. I don't know what color is this. And there's one more. So there's white. Obviously I really like having white bed sheets. And then there is the blue one. So the blue one was for 1600 rupees, and I think rest of them are for 1100 rupees. So yeah, the quality is okay, I guess. Like, I don't know, I don't understand so much. The white one is usually see-through. I also have the beige one that's pretty good, like it's not see-through or anything. So, and these are like darker colors, so I'm pretty sure like they won't be see-through. So that's that. I also got pillow covers, so you know, whenever like I have someone over, I can just put this set. So I got these two, and this one was for 279 rupees each. Now I'm not too sure if it's like sasta or mehenga. I don't understand these things, and you know, IKEA is open only till 3 o'clock, so I really had to rush. I did not even see the prices of anything. I was like just spotting things, and I was just throwing it in my trolley, and that's how I got all these things. So yeah, just don't be like, okay, this is expensive, da da da. Don't do that. Next up, I got a bathrobe. Now I remember I got this campaign for Instagram, and they wanted me to wear a bathrobe, and I did not own one at that time. So you know, when I was at IKEA and I spotted this, I was like, I'll get it. So that is why I got it. And this one is expensive, honestly. I feel I got it for 1600 rupees. Yeah, it's a bathrobe. Like, what do I say? This is what it looks like. I haven't opened it or anything, but yeah, I think it's expensive in my opinion. Another very expensive thing that I got, and I think I could have easily gotten it for a lot cheaper if I would have gotten it like locally, is this you know, planter. But yeah, this one is for 800 rupees. It's white. That's the theme that I was going for, so I got it in white. And the moment we came back, Summer checked prices of everything, and he's like, why did we get this? And yeah, it is expensive, you know, if you look at it. So yeah, that's my fail buy. But yeah, I hope that it at least looks good, and you know, I hope that it holds my plant well. So yeah, I plan on putting this in my living room, so it should look good. At least it's white. So if you guys have watched my vlog, you would know that I also got a lot of furniture from IKEA, and when I spotted this, I thought this would be quite handy, so that is why I got it. This is just a toolkit that you know, you would need if you are going to be making furniture. So yeah, this is for 550 rupees. I think this is such a good thing to own. Next up, I got a throw. Now this is something that I already owned, but when I went to Manali, I left it there, and yeah, when I went to IKEA and I saw this, I was like, I'll get it. So I got this, and this is quite inexpensive. I think this is for 150 rupees or 160 rupees. The reason why I like this is because it's very warm and cozy. Like, it's like a warm hug in a blanket. Like, I really like this, so I got it. I got one more and this time I got it in like white, because that's the theme that I'm going for. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's not really white, it's kind of off-white and like beige. I opened it up, and this is not as cozy or as you know, warm as this one is, but yeah, it looks really pretty. So you know, yeah, I really like it. How much is this for?
700.
Okay, this one is for 700 rupees. It's pretty good, right, for the money that we paid, I think.
That is for 150.
Yeah, but this is very good. If you guys want to get this one, go get it. Like, you wouldn't regret it. It's really nice. Next up, we have candles. I honestly didn't have a lot of expectations from these candles, like the scented candles, but to my surprise, these are so good. Like, this one smells amazing, and this is vanilla, and this can stay up to like 40 hours. I have put this on every single day since the time I've gotten it. It's so good. It's really nice. You know, if you're a fan of vanilla, you can go ahead and get it. This one is for
200.
200. The reason why Samarth is like prompting is because I don't remember the prices of these. I got one more, and this one can stay up to like 25 hours, and this one is for like 150 rupees. And I don't know, this just smells very flowery, like very floral and fresh basically. So yeah, this is also something that I got. Next up, I got a pillow. I got two of them. One is already on my bed, like I opened it up, and this one is packed, so I'm just showing you this. This is really nice. There are so many varieties that you can choose from. I mean, if you like it like more soft, or if you like it hard, so many to choose from. I chose something in between, I think, and yeah, it's really nice. I really like it. I think this one is for 450 rupees, but Samarth saying that this one's for 600 rupees. I'm not too sure, but I think with what I remember, this is for 450 rupees. So yeah. Next up, I got like glass jars. These come in very handy. I have the exact same thing, but that one I got it from DMart a couple of years ago, and that one was also for 100 rupees, and this is also for 100 rupees. So that's pretty cool. So like I paid 25 rupees per glass jar, I guess. It's really nice in the kitchen, you know, like the ones that I have put like chia seeds and then flax seeds and all these seeds. It looks really nice, so that is why I got it. But I got one more, and now that I look at it, I feel like I obviously did not need both of them. Like I could have gotten just one and it would have been fine. Now I think I'm going to give this to my mom. I think IKEA is just about getting all these aesthetically pleasing things, you know, something that just like soothes your eyes when you look at it. I think yeah, that's just what it is about. What is this? Draining dish?
Dish drain.
This is like a dish. Drain?
Drain and dish drain.
What?
Dish drain. Dish drainer.
This is like a dish drainer. When you're done like cleaning your utensils, you just like put it in here, and then yeah, it just drains it out, like the water, extra water, and then you have your dry utensils basically. So that's the point of this. I hope that I use this, though I still haven't used it, and I got this for 300 rupees. So I got spatulas. I don't think so I need to explain this. Yeah, I just got it, and this was for like 300 rupees. Was it? Yeah, this is for 300 rupees. It's expensive, right, for 300 rupees? Or no, I don't know. Actually, Samarth's friend is a chef, so she said that she uses this and this is pretty cool. So that is why I got it. I don't even cook as much, but I have been getting into cooking lately, so I hope that I use these at some point. But these are pretty cool. Also got some knives again because she said that these are pretty cool, so that is why I got it. This one was for 200 rupees, so 100 rupees each, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, I mean, it looks cool. I don't know, like now I'll have to like cut it and then tell you if it's any good, but dikhne mein it looks nice. Okay, next up I got this organizer. This is for 700 rupees. I thought this would be pretty cool to put in my accessories, like my watches and then my earrings, and I own like so many of them, like earrings and neck pieces, so that is why I got it. And also now that my drawer has a lot more space because everything has its own place now, I thought this would go really well in here, so that's why I got it. I also got one more, but just don't mind all the things that are in there. We just basically are using this as a separator. So there are like you know, whatever we are building the furniture, so we put in things here, and then you're like, okay, ye use karenge, wo use karenge. Anyway, this one was also for 700 rupees. This is just another organizer. I thought this would be cool for makeup and stuff, and it's very good. Like, if you ask me, this is very well made. Like, it's plastic, but it's good quality, and yeah, this is great for makeup. I think I'm going to put my makeup in here. Next up, I got like two planters. So these are white in color. Again, wanted to get white, that is why I got it. This one was for 150 rupees and this one was for 99 rupees. But I can't really plant a plant in here, you know what I mean, because there's no hole, and you need a hole. So I'm guessing I'll just get it like drilled maybe. I'm not too sure, but let's see. I put the plants that I got, like the real plants that I got from IKEA, in here, and both of them kind of died because there was no hole, and I think you really need that hole. Trying to get them back, but it's not working out, guys. I don't know. Let me know if you guys have any tips and tricks. but it just nothing's working. I've put water, I've changed the place, I have yeah, made sure that you know, it's not in the pot anymore, but it's still not working out. So I got 2 more scented candles. That's exactly what I was thinking. How did I only get 2 of them? Because I remember getting a lot more. So yeah, I actually got 4 of them, and this one is also for 150 rupees. Again, this one also smells pretty floral and like nice and fresh, and oh my god, so excited to like actually light this up. And yeah. Okay, next up I got a dustbin, which I mean, it's crazy because I thought this is another planter, which I can use as a planter. I think again I'll have to drill it, and yeah, then I can plant a plant in here. And yeah, but this is a dustbin, and this is for 70 rupees. So that's pretty cool. I think it's pretty huge as well, and yeah, I don't know what to say. It's a dustbin, guys. I mean, it's black in color. That's all that I can say. Next up we have a towel, and this one is for 330 rupees. I don't know what to say. It's a normal towel, I guess, and this is pretty cool, soft, nice, and I got it in like dark gray color. So yeah, that's that. Next up I also got some kitchen towels, because that's also important, and this one was for 150 rupees. I think there are 4 of these, and yeah, that is why I got it. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm not opening it up for you guys, but you can see, yeah. Okay, next up I got this ledge. The reason why I got it is because I did not want to have like a mandir, like a traditional mandir. So I thought that I'll get a ledge and then put Bhagwan ka pictures in here. And yeah, I'm pretty like religious like that, and I thought this would be super cool for that. So that's why I got it. And this one was like 500 rupees or 600 rupees. Pretty good. Again, if you want to get it, get it. Like, I think ledges and all those things are like pretty good at IKEA. And I don't think so this is for 500 rupees. I think this is for 1300 rupees.
500.
Okay, this is for 500. Good, huh? If it's for 500 rupees, it's a great catch. More organizers. I think one can never have enough of these. So yeah, again I thought this would be pretty cool to you know, put in my bahar wala table, or maybe in here as well, like just to like organize stuff. I can put my batteries, my cameras, and yeah, anything and everything. You can even put your clothes in here. That's pretty cool. If them are for 700, then it's cool, I think. But even then, I think the one that I got from Amazon, I don't remember the price of that one. I think that was 500 rupees, and you get like 4 of them in it. I'm not too sure, but the quality, this one is obviously a lot better than the one that I got from Amazon for sure. Next up I got like a lot of cups, not a lot, just like 3 of them. So this one I actually got it because I've been watching a lot of reels wherein people make like very nice coffees, so I thought, you know, I'll try making that, and that is why I got it. Even though handle like doesn't make sense at all, like it has no grip to it whatsoever, but it looks very pretty. And this one was for, how much was this for? 60 rupees. So yeah, that's that. Next up I got 2 more cups, and these are very cool. I think I really like the color of this one. It's very like baby pink and also like sage. Really nice. This one was for 100 rupees each. So yeah, I mean, cheers to that. Glassware, just to put inside my bookshelf and on the table and everything. So this is the vase that I got. I plan on putting flowers or maybe like pothos ka stem. I think that would look really nice. So that is why I got it. This one is for 100 rupees. So yeah, that's pretty cool, I think. And even though I do think that I would have gotten these things for like much cheaper rate if I would have gone to like Crawford, but Crawford I don't think so is open or anything. I also got this thing. This one was for 40 rupees. It's supposed to put like tea light in it. I actually did put it, and it looks really pretty at night. So yeah, that's why I got it, just to put it on my table. It would look beautiful. I got like ice maker. You can also make chocolate in it. I'm not too sure, but ice, so you can definitely. I really like the mold. This is just like flowery. So yeah, and this one is for 100 rupees. I think this is a little expensive, like for 100 rupees. Next up I got ceiling clips. I don't think so I need to explain this. These are just ceiling clips that you can use to seal things, like, you know, chips or like biscuits or something. And this one was for 70 rupees. So that's pretty cool. Like you get 10 of those for 70 rupees. pretty good. Some curtains. Yeah, I think curtains are very important because I do get like a lot of natural light, and the days that I don't want it as much, I can really use these. So these are not like curtains. These are just the you know, those see-through curtains that you have with actual curtains. So I've actually got the see-through ones, and I still have to get the actual ones, but yeah, I thought that this would look really nice, so that's why I got it. And this one is for 300 rupees, so yeah, I think pretty good. I'm not too sure. Next up, I got this thing wherein you can just put spoon and like forks and straws and all that. So this one is for 200 rupees. Again, I think this is expensive, but as I said that, you know, I did not have a lot of time to like check the prices and then put, so I literally just spotted things, picked them up and put it in my cart. That's literally what I did. Okay, lastly I got the painting brush set. This one was for 200 rupees, and yeah, I don't know what to say honestly. I mean, I just thought that this is pretty cool, so I just got it. I don't even paint as much, but now that I have the brushes, I think I should actually start painting, right? I don't know. Any which ways, that was it for my IKEA haul. I think this is such a long video and it's going to take like forever to edit, but I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.